Your brain is lying to you. Right now, as you listen to this, your nervous system may be stuck in a loop. Is that feeling of heaviness in your chest? Is that constant what if playing in the back of your mind? This is not a character flaw. This is a biological glitch. In this video, you'll learn why all that talk about calming down is actually making your anxiety worse. Here are 3 unconventional tools that elite performers use to induce panic in under 60 seconds. One involves an ice bucket. Another requires you to actually plan your breakdown. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just be able to deal with your anxiety. You'll know how to use it as a weapon. Let's talk about the big lie. When you're feeling anxious, people tell you to relax. They tell you to take a deep breath. But here's the problem. When your amygdala is screaming danger, telling your brain to calm down is like trying to put out a forest fire with a water gun. It creates a mismatch that actually intensifies your internal panic. So instead of fighting the fire spot, we're going to change the fuel. In a moment, you'll learn a Harvard-backed technique that requires just 3 words to turn fear into peak performance. But first, we need to understand the diving reflex. Most people try to get rid of anxiety with their minds. That's a mistake. You can't talk to your panicked brain. You have to talk to your body. If you feel a panic attack coming on, splash ice water on your face or hold an ice cube in your hand. This triggers the Mammalian Diving Reflex. It's a biological cheat code that instantly slows your heart rate and resets your nervous system. Your brain stops worrying about the future because it has to deal with the temperature right now. And now, a tool for overthinkers. It's called the anxiety window. Instead of fighting anxious thoughts all day, make an appointment with them. From 5 p.m. to 5:15 p.m., you're allowed to worry as much as you want. Write it down. Shout it out. Walk it. But the moment the clock hits 5:16 p.m., you're done. You've paid off your cognitive debt. It sounds simple, but it's the most powerful way to regain your mental stillness. But what if anxiety's already here? What if you're standing on stage or sitting in an interview and your heart is racing? That's where the 3-word shift comes in. Psychologists call this anxiety reframe. Physiologically, anxiety and arousal are almost identical. Heart rate is racing, palms are sweaty, breathing is shallow. The only difference is the story your brain is telling you. Studies show that people who say the words, "I'm excited," perform much better than those who say, "I'm calm." You're not trying to stop the energy. You're just giving it a new direction. You're not afraid. You're ready for something big. Anxiety is just energy without a purpose. You've spent years trying to escape it. Maybe it's time to start using it. Now, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Many people have that one weird thing that really helps when the world seems to be closing in on them. Maybe it's a certain song, a physical movement, or even a strange habit. Share it in the comments. Maybe your method can help someone else. Don't let your brain lie to you anymore.